Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Clan. Today we'll be talking about how Quant could replace Swift in the new era of finance. On the 21st of December, Swift, the financial cooperative that serves as an intermediary and settlement executor for financial transactions between banks worldwide, is planning to experiment with asset tokenization in 2022. Swift will be collaborating with the distributed ledger technology providers SETL and Northern Trust. Swift and the participants in the integration between the various DLT environments and with transaction orchestration using their respective capabilities. Results of this experiment will be shared with the financial community afterwards. The tokenization experiment will use both central bank digital currencies as well as established forms of payment, which include the United States dollar and the euro, as well as Swift outlining their intentions of utilizing tokenization in instances of payment channels, namely CBDCs and the established forms of payment. Swift highlighted their tokenization offerings will be geared towards a number of assets, namely stocks, bonds, but also illiquid assets, including commodities, property or even art. Coupled with Swift outlining their intentions of facilitating tokenization into their infrastructure, the financial body also gave predictions in regards to how the tokenization industry could swell to volumes of around $24 trillion by 2027. Swift's inroads into utilizing blockchain technology may have been spurred on due to the payment intermediary observing developments surrounding cryptocurrencies, CBDCs and stablecoin utility. With the growing use of these new age payment instruments, Swift's relevance may decline in the future. Swift's prediction of how the tokenization industry alone could have a net worth of around $24 billion by 2027 is indicative of how early we are in terms of our overall investments in the space and illustrates the significant upside associated with the whole crypto industry. With Swift looking to utilize blockchain technology and development surrounding the new age of finance, arguably Swift's strongest future competitor in Quant Network has already developed a number of infrastructures, which makes the fintech company a significant player in being the backbone for future payment utility. Quant Network has a number of offerings which makes it the go-to platform, especially in instances and developments surrounding CBDCs and stablecoin initiatives, whereby Quant offers the revolutionary and patented overledger technological innovation. Overledger is the only platform on the marketplace which enables networks of varying backgrounds to actively interoperate, and in turn leading to the active transfer of datasets between such networks. The active capacity to induce interoperability between networks, especially payment networks between banks, will lead to improvements in the rate of notarization services, payments and know your customer requirements to be seamlessly shared and exchanged between banks. This factor will lead to improvements in the rates by which such bodies will be able to actively facilitate the transfer of funds between recipients, and in turn there will be overall improvements in the efficiency of financial actions, which will lead to increases in profitability for financial institutions and improvements in the seamlessness of payment actions by the public. Delays and slowdowns associated with Swift's offerings, especially in cross-border payments, is a current sticking point associated with present-day financial infrastructure. Furthermore, with the recent advent of Quant's QRC20 token offering, the token will be able to induce interoperability, whereby QRC20 will allow tokens to be actively exchanged between DLTs plugged into Overledger, and such tokens will be compliant and be able to interoperate with future networks which utilize Quant's Overledger. When specific DLTs are plugged into Overledger, QRC20 will port tokens over from blockchain networks to Overledger. The porting of such tokens will in turn lead to QRC20 tokens moving freely on Overledger and be used in multi-chain apps, without needing to wrap tokens or go over bridges. The development of QRC20 tokens could be the answer to the interoperability dilemma between future CBDC networks, whereby CBDCs issued as QRC20 tokens could be seamlessly transferred between CBDC networks of varying backgrounds when such platforms are actively plugged into Overledger. This factor will lead to improvements in both payment speed and also enabling national CBDC networks to interact and interoperate. Furthermore, as stated by Swift, the financial body is seeking to utilize stablecoins in regards to payment channels in the project's impending tokenization pilot. Quant Network has already developed methods surrounding stablecoin utility, especially in instances surrounding both future CBDC developments and present-day payment channels through the development of its MOT stablecoin. Quant's multi-ledger token stablecoin will act as the universal stablecoin and will enable the interconversion of fiat CBDCs in one step. The utility of the MOT stablecoin in this manner will lead to the seamless and rapid ability to interconvert CBDCs. This will lead to improvements in the speed and rates of payment actions, as well as acting as a means of enabling the direct interconversion of CBDCs. Multi-ledger token will aid in providing transparency in payments, whereby MLTs used as the underbelly stablecoin in fiat CBDC transactions will provide an auditable record of the stakeholders involved in transactions. The benefits surrounding Quant's MLT stablecoin has led to the International Monetary Fund, or IMF, looking to directly leverage Quant's multi-ledger token offering for use with CBDCs that are sent to and from and operate on many distinct blockchain and legacy-based platforms. Multi-ledger tokens have the potential to be utilised for numerous blockchain and financial uses, which will continue to expand as the utility of the technology grows and new business models emerge. The IMF's future utility of Quant's MLT offering demonstrates the high degree of potential the offering provides, especially over the long run, in instances of cross-border CBDC transactions, and puts Quant ahead of SWIFT in regards to developments surrounding stablecoin and CBDCs. With Quant's innovation being protected by a number of patents, the patent-laden Quant Network will lead to the likes of SWIFT requiring varying methods to achieve the same degree of interoperability and payment channel functionality, especially in instances surrounding CBDCs and stablecoin developments. With the global economy entering a new era, Quant may be the network of choice to facilitate intermediary and payment settlement execution. What are your thoughts on Quant? Will Quant replace SWIFT? Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.